Welcome to my another new video. Today I will show you adding macros to the quick access toolbar in Excel 2013. So if you have created favorite macros that you routinely use and want to be able to run directly from the quick access toolbar, select macros from the choose commands from drop down list box. First go to quick access toolbar and click customize quick access toolbar drop down menu, then select more commands and go to macros, and you can see there have a macro on. So suppose this is the routinely use and want to be able to run directly from the quick access toolbar, select macros from the choose commands from drop down list and then click the name of the macros, macro 1 already clicked, and to add in the choose commands from list box followed by the add button, and click there and the add button, and you can see the macro is added in quick access toolbar. So Excel 2013 then adds a custom macro command button to the end of the quick access toolbar, whose generic icon displays the branching of a programming diagram. This means that if you add several favorite macros to the quick access toolbar, the only way to tell them apart is by their skin trips, each of which displays the location and name of the macro attached to the particular custom button. When you highlight the button by passing the mouse pointer over it, so add macros and then click OK, and you can see this your macro is already added in quick access toolbar. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.